been waiting is here. I know you guys are waiting. So I'm starting off this new channel because everybody's been asking me for recipes. So I figured let me help you guys get in the kitchen, showing you guys some vegan recipes and just sharing you guys my yoga journey. So welcome to my new YouTube channel. I hope you enjoy. Comment below on any recipes you would like to see me feature on this channel. I am Spanish, so get ready for some Spanish vegan dishes. All of you guys want to transition, but you don't know how to make some sazon. Guess what? I know how to do that. I got you. Come on.